Despite the recent attacks in Pahalgam, the spirit of the Kashmiri Pandit community remains unshaken. Hundreds of devotees arrived at the Kheer Bhavani temple in Ganderbal to offer their prayers, reaffirming their deep connection with their deity. The temple, which is located in the center of a sacred spring, holds immense religious significance for the community. Times Now brings you more updates from the ground.
The annual Mata Kheer Bhavani Mela is being celebrated tomorrow here in Tulumul, Ganderbal, but the devotees have already started arriving. Reporting from Mata Kheer Bhavani temple in Ganderbal, the first visuals of this ancient temple, who is important center of faith for Kashmiri Pandits. On this particular day, thousands of Kashmiri Pandits from different areas of country have started returning to Kashmir today for this annual festival. It is an important temple, an important center of faith for Kashmiri Pandits. For thousands of years, Kashmiri Pandits have been arriving at this place, gathering and in fact praying to Mata Kheer Bhavani, who is also known as Mata Ragini. So this temple is an important attraction and center of faith for Kashmiri Pandits, and we had seen there were shadows of terrorism on this religious place as well. After the exodus of Kashmiri Pandits back in 90s, the annual the Mata Kheer Bhavani festival was stopped for some years, but then again in 1998 it was restarted. So the temple is important, and in fact this particular spring has religious importance. It's widely believed that the color of water of this spring in fact tells us what sort of situation Kashmir will experience for next 1 year. It's that faith that basically pulls and attracts thousands of devotees from across the country, particularly Kashmiri Pandits. And now you can see while the annual festival will be celebrated tomorrow, but devotees have already started gathering here. They have started already camping here. Security has been beefed up across in the Ganderbal district, particularly around the premises of this ancient temple, so as the other arrangements have been done by the civil administration. It's in fact a coordinated effort to ensure that devotees who come from different areas of country to be part of this annual festival and to attend this annual festival are in fact do not face any inconvenience. So that's why the administration is on toes. But yes, these Kashmiri Pandits are unshaken by the recent terror incident in Pahalgam, and they have returned back today to attend this important religious gathering in Ganderbal, Tulumul. With video journalist Shafiq, this is Sohail in Ganderbal.